Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your letter photos. So we're going to be using Canva.com and we're going to go to YouTube thumbnail. We're going to be using a blank thumbnail today. Also, before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So we're going to go ahead and go to Elements and then scroll down to Frames, see all, and then we're going to scroll down until we see the letters. Canva also has numbers that you can put photos in. So right here we're just going to pick the letters that we want to use. I'm going to be using my name. So I'm just clicking on them, and once you click on the letters, they automatically go onto the blank canvas. You can also move the letters around and resize them. So I'm going to resize all my letters the same. And I like how Canva has guidelines so that you know if the letters are the same size. It'll show you with the purple lines. So I really like Canva because it's user-friendly. You have a lot to choose from, even in the free version. This version that I'm using right now is the pro version, but I have it in a 30-day trial. So you can actually try the pro version for 30 days for free. I am just showing you that you can move the letters around, resize them, and it shows you guidelines to make sure that they are the same size and they are in the same position on the canvas. That's my name. So the next thing you want to do is just upload your images. You can either use, you can either go to Photos, which is the second picture, the second icon, or you can upload your own photos. Today I'm just going to be using my own photos for the sake of this video, but you can actually go to Google and upload photos to Canva. Those are 3 different ways. What you want to do, you want to select the photo, hold it down, and hover over the letter. And once it does that, you let it go and the picture is inside of the letter. Super, super easy, super user friendly. Nothing too complicated. You can also do like solid colors. You can put glitter. You can get really, really creative with putting pictures in the letters. So yeah, it's that simple. All you have to do is just select the letters you want and add photos to those letters. I'm going to go ahead and change my background to a darker color so that you can see the detailing of the photo letters. And that's how that looks. I had got a question from someone asking me how I did it because they saw that one of my thumbnails had different pictures and letters in it. So you can download it, you can change it into a PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print, video, or animation, which is a GIF. And let me show you what that thumbnail looked like. So this is what the thumbnail looked like. I use this as my channel art and I got a question about it. So that is how I created my channel art. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.